So in this question, we have been asked to differentiate this function, which is ax plus dy squared is equal to cos y. We have to find dy by dx. So we will use the method which we have used in the previous video, but I'm not going to do both the methods. So in this case, let's differentiate both sides. So a and b are constants in this video. So if we differentiate this, a would come out, then d by dx, we are differentiating, this x will be differentiated, plus b is a constant, so b will also come out, and there will be d by dx of y squared is equal to d by dx of cos y. We have differentiated both sides, so we can write this like this, and it would be a, and this gets cancelled out. You don't have to cancel out in the question in the exams, but just remember dx by dx, you will not cut it but directly write 1 here. So a plus b. Now differentiation of y square would be 2y. We'll use that power rule. So y squared, if we differentiate, 2 will come to the front and y to the power 2 minus 1, which would lead us to 2y. So I wrote 2y here, and since we are differentiating this function with respect to x, we'll have to differentiate y as well, because we are using chain rule here. And if we solve this side, differentiation of cos y is minus sin y. And here once again we are differentiating with respect to x, but the function is with respect to y. So we'll apply chain rule, which is d by dx of y, which would be dy by dx. So the thing that we have to do is bring dy by dx to one side and just solve the question. So if we take a to this side and sin y dy by dx to this side, it would look like 2by dy by dx plus, this is minus, so it will come this side and be plus. It would be sin y dy by dx is equal to minus a. Right? Now we have to take this dy by dx common. It would be dy by dx. We are taking this out common, so we will be left with 2by plus sin y is equal to negative a. Now we have been asked to find dy by dx, so we'll just divide this, and the final answer would look like dy by dx is equal to minus a upon, this will go in the denominator, which would be 2by plus sin y. This is the final answer. Let's move on to the next question.